Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Wherever you are in the world, welcome and thank you for joining us. My name is Carl Anthony, and this is AutoVision News live at InCabin from the Auto World Museum in Brussels, Belgium. This is the inaugural InCabin event from Sense Media, following an already exciting 2 days on Tuesday and Wednesday of AutoSense. We are joined here in the upper mezzanine by Andy Hanvey. Now, Andy is with OMNIVISION Technologies. He joined the company in 2016, and he's currently their Director of Automotive Marketing. Andy is responsible for product and regional marketing for OMNIVISION's automotive segment. With more than 25 years experience in the semiconductor industry, he's held a number of positions in engineering, applications, and marketing. He has shared his thought leadership many times before with us here at AutoVision News, and we are glad to welcome him back today as part of InCabin. Andy, good to see you again.
Good to see you again, Carl.
So tell us, we had a great discussion last night about 5 o'clock. Tell us all that you're showing here, the demonstration that you're showing at the OMNIVISION display.
No problem, Carl. So what we were showing is a range of demos. So the first ones that we were showing were related to connectivity. So there was a demo using our X1F, which is an SoC product, which is integrated image sensor and ISP, and then it interfaces to another device from Analog Devices. And this is targeting entry-level cars for surround view, where they have the existing NTSC architecture. In addition to that, the other connectivity demo we were showing was related to X3F with the OEX4000 and the Marvell Ethernet chipset. So two different types of connectivity demo for different aspects of where the distribution of data goes within the car.
Yes.
If we move on from that, then we get into global shutters and RGBIR. One of the most exciting demos we were showing was X5B with the OEX4000 and how we were able to split the screen and display human viewing and machine vision at the same time.
Yeah, that was my favorite part of the demo. So Andy, what market trends then does the context feature address?
So the context feature, just to explain to some of your listeners briefly, so this is a feature where we operate the sensor in a specific mode, what we call AB mode, and what it enables is that for one context, it can be used for human viewing, context A, and then context B can be used for machine vision. For example, DMS will be illuminated with a 940 nanometer LED or VCSEL.
Yeah.
So what trend this is addressing is that the trend for moving the camera from looking at the driver to more towards the mirror and covering the whole cabin.
Yeah.
So having that, you want to go from two cameras to one camera. So you can enable a functionality that can go from two cameras to one camera by this context feature.
Yes, absolutely. And there's a cost benefit there as well. Andy, what other trends are you seeing just in general in the automotive industry right now?
So in general, it is definitely the adoption of cameras is increasing. So we're seeing much more demand for surround view, going from RVC to adding more cameras for more cars want to have the surround view feature, and also adding functions to that surround view feature, advanced parking assist.
Yes.
Then if you look at ADAS, it's just, again, going from one camera to 7, 8 cameras.
Yes.
And then that's even within the in-cabin, it's now all about mandates. We're able to put a driver camera there, but as we just spoke about, it's being able to look at much more in the cabin, look at the other people in the car. Have you left your baby in the car? Have you left a parcel? That's where the trends that we're seeing in general.
Right. Here in Brussels, we saw OMNIVISION announce partnerships with Marvell, ADI, which is Analog Devices, and then Smart Eye. So tell us, Andy, about OMNIVISION's ecosystem. You're continuing to build this ecosystem. Tell us more about it and why it's important.
So the reason it's important is that within automotive, you need to work with different parties to get solutions together. It's not as simple as just bringing one sensor to the market. So different parts of the ecosystem require different building blocks, so to speak.
Yes.
So as I spoke about earlier, Marvell, ADI, Analog, this is about connectivity. Smart Eye is well known about the DMS in-cabin algorithm.
Yes.
But there is many other parts of this ecosystem. We have lens vendors, serializers, application processor. It's a large ecosystem, and it's all about being able to bring a system together to the tier ones and OEMs.
Right. Andy, it's always great to get caught up with you. It's impressive to see OmniVision's continued leadership in this space. I know you were very busy yesterday with meetings, but thank you for taking time out to show the demos. And then, of course, the LFM demo was great as well. So want to encourage all of our in-cabin attendees and our AutoVision News viewers, if they are here, to visit and talk with Andy. Actually, the OmniVision display is right next to us, just off to my left, where you can see everything that Andy was talking about. If you just happen to be watching online, OmniVision's LinkedIn page is tagged in this post, so please visit their LinkedIn profile for more information. Andy, thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you, Carl. It's good to speak again.